about the contents of
Look, I don't want to talk about it.
It happened. I feel weird right now.
I get it. I feel the same way. It's not our fault.
Keisha, I'm sorry. What do you want me to say, Claire, that I was attracted to my sister?